The 4 P's of marketing, sometimes called the marketing mix, is something you likely have heard of before, but maybe you're not 100% sure what it is. Or maybe you think that the 4 P's don't apply to your business because it's too small. Well, think again. The same 4 P's that is responsible for Tesla outselling every small mid-sized luxury car manufacturer in the entire US is also responsible for helping LYFE Marketing, a small business, become recognized as one of the fastest growing companies in the US 2 years in a row. I'll be breaking down the 4 P's into an easily understandable format so you can use them to grow and maintain a thriving business. But before I do, if you find any value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button for me. It helps out our channel greatly. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video from us. Okay, let's first discuss what the 4 P's are. The 4 P's of marketing is the foundation for any sound marketing strategy. The P's stand for product, price, place, and promotion. Like the legs of a chair, if any of the 4 are missing or not properly executed, your marketing strategy will yield rocky, unpredictable results, likely causing you to fall flat on your face. So, individually, they're important, but together, they are powerful. Let's take a look at each P of the marketing mix individually. Product. Your product is the actual product or service you offer for sale. The question you want to answer right here is, do I have a product worth buying? And so, what makes a good product? Well, one that solves an actual problem. The problem can be physical, mental, or emotional. When you think of your product offering, there are 2 things you want to consider. First, what problem am I solving? And secondly, what makes my product unique from what's currently on the market? And once you have an answer, you are ready to move to the next P in the marketing mix. Price. Price is how much you charge for your product or your service. The question you want to answer here is whether my product is priced appropriately. So, how do you know your product is priced appropriately? Well, there are 4 main pricing strategies you can choose from. The first is cost plus pricing, which is your cost and then adding a markup that you deem necessary. The second way, competitive pricing, setting your pricing based on what your competition charges. Next, we have value-based pricing, which is setting your price based on how much your customer is willing to pay. And lastly, penetration pricing, which is setting your prices low to enter the market and then raising them later. Whatever pricing strategy you choose, make sure of the following things. First, your target audience is willing to pay the price you set, and the price you set is profitable once all costs, marketing, and sales are considered. All right, let's talk about place, the next P in the marketing mix. Place simply means the location where you sell your product. And you know what they say, location, location, location. The question you want to answer here is, can my target audience be found where I choose to sell my product? Okay, how do you choose the right location? Well, go where your audience is. Your place could be online platforms such as Facebook or Instagram, or offline in places such as a particular city or a particular state. Answer these 2 questions to help you determine what place or places are right for your business. First, where are my customers? And secondly, where are my competitors? Which brings us to our last P in the 4 P's of marketing, promotion. Now, promotion is any action you take to drive awareness and ultimately sales for your business. Promotion should consider digital marketing activities like the ones we offer our clients here at LYFE Marketing, such as advertising, email marketing, and social media management. Promotion should also consider actual promotions such as discounts and coupons. Here are 3 questions you can ask yourself to make sure you do promotion right. First, where does your target audience spend their time, online and offline? And 2, what type of promotions or messages do your audience respond to best? If you want to learn more about how to promote via digital marketing and gain an edge on your competition, then there is one important thing you must do. No, like right now, don't wait. go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. We upload videos every week that help you create, analyze, and dominate your marketing initiatives. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion, also known as the marketing mix. If you found any value from this video at all, go ahead and like the video for me. And make sure you subscribe. I'm Karan from LYFE Marketing. Until next time.